mentioned a little earlier the concept of design process as it pertains to the medium or media on which a project will be distributed. As part of that design process, we also need to consider things such as, do we have artwork we can trace? Or do we need to build something from the start? And we need to consider where we are going to save our files. For instance, when I go to save a copy of this file, it is asking me whether to save the file to the cloud, to where others can collaborate on a project, or do I want to save this locally and be the only person working on the file until I am ready to collaborate with others on this project? You'll want to establish and follow through with the process of saving files early in a project, preferably before you even start on a project.